On their way. What's this line?
Help me understand, can you tell me why you made a war that we're fighting now? And you fall and you run when you see my big guns. Run around, run your way as the rest comes out. There you go, boy, on me when you come. I'm wrong, I'm open your mind to the sound of the trumpet. What do you want from the life of the hopeless? Now yeah, you want, you're begging and crying. I want to fly, yeah, I'm flying to body. Running away to the land of discovery. Running away from the suffering I'm gone, yeah. Running away from the darkness I'm out, yeah, yeah. I had done all the leaving, going way beyond the noise you feel. When you speak, all I can hear is silence. Running back from all the pain and violence. Big tools, now it's big tools I can cry now for the sun now. How I fall down when you see me. You know that I
Faye for fun, dude. What are you doing for us, sir? KFC chicken.
I will wait for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you.
Mommy.
I will wait
If you
for
make me this happy again, I will not do it. What happened? What happened? What's it? Because when you eat this one, it will just crack your brain. This is like days after, and what they call it, like after the cooking clip and the video of the fried rice that I made for over 20 people. But you guys, I thought to do another recharge card giveaway. So people that actually received this recharge card in my last video where I actually did a recharge card giveaway, they did not come to say. It's just one person that said, oh Bomsi, I got the recharge card. And it doesn't make me feel good, to be very honest with you. You come, you watch, you don't comment, but now you've come, you've won recharge card, you still did not even say, ah Bomsi, thank you or something. But I'm not doing it for your thank you. I'm just doing it, you know, to just encourage what they call it, like my Nigerian viewers, because I know how it is, data being so expensive. It's not like you're paying for like extensive what they call it, Wi-Fi. You know, those of us that are privileged to say, okay, we are paying for Wi-Fi subscription every month, you know, but it's also very expensive. Like, there's no excuse to all of these things. So this is just ways that I've thought to just, you know, give back to my what they call it, subscribers and viewers, just to appreciate them. So please, if you recharge any of the credit or no, the least you can just say is, you know, I recharged it, you know, thank you so much. You know, it makes me feel like, okay, really, because I will not really know whether it was recharged or not. You know, it makes me also feel like, okay, really, yes, it was recharged. But when I don't hear any word from anybody, it's just one person out of, you know, and the person said the person got only MTN, you know, was it MTN or be Airtel, you know, just one person out of like 6 recharge cards that I gave. You know, it doesn't like, it doesn't just, I don't know, I don't want anybody to feel like I'm berating them because of recharge card or anything, but I don't know if you guys get what I mean. You know, let me know that it's been recharged, you know, and you guys used it. It's not like, you know, you just came, watched the video, recharge, and just kept going your way. Please just let me know in the comment section any way you find your means. Maybe you're watching it via television or anything, but any means that you find to comment, just comment and let me know, so that I know that the recharge card did not go to waste, so that I know either to call it out again or maybe to give it to someone else. If I individually had, you know, personal phone numbers or something, I would have actually done what they call it, send it to you in your what they call it, like your phones, like top up your phones and all. But yeah, you guys, I have just a few recharge cards to call out for you guys. Let's just go straight into it. So this is this Airtel? John, is this Airtel?
Yes.
Okay, the blue ones are Airtel. Okay, so we have Airtel, and yeah, let me just go straight. 1591 6572 8634 4279, and I'll take that again. 1591 6572 8634 4279. And we have another Airtel, which is 1599 5373 1466 1485. Let me take that, the second one again. 1599 5373 1466 1485. So, and then this is MTN, 7061 8094 2689 45250. And the last one is 3025 7067 8866 36618, and I'll take that again. 3025 7067 8866 36618. And I just pray and I hope that the beneficiaries of this recharge card, you know, it will help just cushion, you know, the data effect. Because nowadays you load, because sometimes when I'm out of the house and I actually load on my phone. So when I'm out of the house and I load data, I just find myself, I've scrolled through Instagram or I've just scrolled through YouTube or something, and your data has been exhausted. That's when I'm not at home and I'm out of Wi-Fi. Your data has been exhausted. So I know how, you know, all of these things is, and I'll just try as much as possible today. So what is happening is that, you know, I think they are beginning to take paper recharge card away. Everything has been digitalized, you know, because right now from your bank app you can buy recharge card and all of those things. So all those people that are selling on the road, because I wanted to buy Glow and Etisalat, but we couldn't get Glow and Etisalat. All we could get was MTN and Airtel. So I just hope the beneficiaries of this recharge card, you know, it will do something for you guys. It will bless you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, for supporting. Keep supporting, keep loving, keep encouraging, you know, as you watch, as you support me, you know, it gingers me to do more. It gingers me to put up more content, you know, also be more consistent as well. You know, you're supporting me as well to earn more revenue, you know. So thank you so much. Please turn on your post notifications so that you'll be notified anytime you post. Anytime I post a video. I don't like to put giveaway at the top of my this thing, especially with this recharge card thing, because I want it to be that is my people, like is my, what they call it, is my subscribers, is my genuine subscribers that watch from the beginning to the end, that actually, you know, benefit from this recharge card giveaway. So I'll definitely see you guys next time. So look out for more vlogs, because there will be more vlogs like this with more recharge cards giveaway. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.
Girls in my crib, 0 Snapchat, 0 Instagram.